good job. So we did pretty much a lot, you know, but this is this handheld Milwaukee leaf blower, and I just kind of gathered up, you know, in one corner here. Kids are helping like this, you know, these leaf bags, and also we're using a bin method and all of that. Alright, so I'm just gathering up constantly. You all continue, okay? It's gonna get dark real soon. I'm just going on this side to do. So it was a monstrous task, honestly. The leaves are really a lot here. We have so much trees. We have so much trees. I'll show you how much we got so far for the season. As you can clearly see, all these bags. But there's, I feel like hundreds more to go. You know, and it's kind of cleaning. I think also, you know, the hardest part is like cleaning in between hedges. Cleaning in between hedges, under the hedges is, you know, a task. So I am holding this blower. This is a cordless blower. You have to do the recharge the batteries. So you could just like take it and just try to please excuse the noise I'm making with it, but it's, you know, there's leaves everywhere, like on top of the hedges. Also, if you have like this type of shrub or whatever, and you know, the leaves in between, it's very difficult. So, you know, we are trying to cover the main areas first, and then we can always tackle other like this, like details like this. But I'm telling you, it's a monstrous task. We don't hire anyone, we do it all ourselves. So it's actually nice, great weather today. So you guys, it's gonna get dark soon, so please stop the talking so much and try to do some more work, okay? Come on. We could at least fill like another 2 bags, 3 bags, if we really, Sandeep, come on. So, what he's doing is really sucking up and removing all the air from the bag, so we can fill more and more and more. So that's a great job, very good. Just continue, right? We have a little more time. We can't be here in the dark, so just a little more time, okay guys? Gotta get it done. Now I cleared out all under this shrub here. You know, we have a lot of perennials around, like this is the hydrangeas and stuff, so you know, you have to clear everything out. The good thing is this is lavender, all died now. Everything has died, honestly, so it's just time to clear up, actually. Right? And, yeah, so it's our last 40 minutes or something out here again, and then that's it.